2/1 LPC or left purl cross is a cable stitch, and I will show you two ways in doing it. One's with a cable needle and the second time without. Before we actually do it, let me show you the anatomy of what's going on so you can understand this better. Usually we will knit the stitches in order 1, 2, and 3. But in doing the 2/1 LPC, we will work the third stitch first and then go back and work stitches 1 and 2. And this is how we're going to do it with a cable needle. We want to slip the first 2 stitches onto the cable needle or a double pointed needle, DPN, if you don't have a cable needle, and hold that to the front of the work. Then we're going to purl that third stitch or the stitch that is now up next because we got the 2 stitches out of the way. And then now we go back to the needle, the cable needle, and knit those 2 stitches. And here we have 2/1 LPC. And here is another way to do the same thing without using a cable needle or double pointed needle. It's a little bit more risky, so if you're not comfortable doing that, then stick with the first method. First, we're going to let go of the first 2 stitches, slide it off of your left needle, and have it to the front of the work. Or in other words, you can use your right needle, move it to the back of those 2 unsecured stitches, and slide that third stitch onto your right needle temporarily. And then now you can go back and slide your left needle through those 2 unsecured stitches back onto it so it's now secured. And lastly, go ahead and slip that third stitch back onto the left needle because we are now ready to work on those stitches. First, we are going to purl that stitch, and then the next 2 stitches we are going to knit them. And here we are, 2/1 LPC 2 ways.